Te kublai shibune phi baro ki parlok ki parajor ki baju sultanan man sabe ki kubora kane ka step bat kane ka por te ngaran ka wei ka advertisement nganora chapi ya kane advertisement ka bala pelai da ka Eastern West Khasi Hill District Mairang te ngan pli yakne advertisement ka application are invite for the resident of Meghalaya having the requested the qualification and the experience mentioned under for the following post under the Rashtriya Gram Swaraj Abhiyan aneka RGSA in the REST District Employment Division Jong block decision under the Eastern West Khasi Hill District Mairang for the minimum period for 1 year extendable performance tinggal apa ka district lane ka Eastern West District ka khon application na banta ka post jong ka RGSE lane ka SRES District Employment Division bat ka bahaba po ka Mairang namanta ka Shisnam tingnya pe iki post mo ka post manung kong kadai ka District IT Manager ka vacancy post kadai tanggawe po ka district nang ta ka desired qualification kadai kibala pendep ya ka MCA BH BTech CSE IT ka desired qualification kam dai banduna ya ka Arsenal work experience in IT government field nang ta ka salary kan dai voucher te ka post ka paan kan dai accountant ka post kadai tanggawe nang ta ka each kan dai live punyos nam nang ta ka qualification graduate in commerce business administration in minimum 6 months diploma computer nang ta ka experience kadai dai banduna ya ka Arsenal te ka salary kan dai ka sanajar
kapus balai kadai accountant com DEO te kapus kadai tanggawe hapok ka blog nang ta ka qualification dai bala pendep ya ka graduate in commerce but ka business administration with 1 year nang ta 1 year for diploma in computer nang ta ka experience kam dai banduna ya ka Arsenal papitrei kum accountant relax works nang ta ka salary kan dai voucher the application should be submit their application standard form along with the relevant document during work hour te kan ya ka application tiya ka application pila man submit da ka lingba ka standard form ki document during hakapor long tray kam hakapor tray pila man submit de ka last date ya kan ban receive kan dai haka kharwei tarik na April arjar pausan kadit interview kin sapendip ya phi te kamdon kata ti we will pila ban siu hi ya ka by late by one hakapor ba phi attend ya ka interview te ya kan ka form pila ban late submit hapo ka office jong ka district mo hapo office jong ka block Mairang te pala ya kan da deputy commissioner ka Eastern West
bar kitu ke batrang ja ban apply kane kam te pindai ban bu pol ane ban yo dai pindai ban le kham kloi wat apa kan poi ro ka last date te kublai sibon ya phi